hack that I'm gonna show you. We'll use a number 5, and it's an embroidery needle. And I don't know if you can see, but the eye is pretty small compared to, this is a size 24 tapestry needle, and these eyelets are a little bit longer and thicker, so they're much easier to thread for higher strand counts. But for the sake of example, let's say you only have a small needle, or a needle with a small eye, and you're looking to use a more of a larger thread count, which I would say anything 4 and above is more on the larger side and harder to thread. You're gonna pull out half the number of the strands you need. So in this case, it would be 2 strands. And you're gonna thread your needle. Okay. So you're gonna thread it, pull it all the way through so it's halfway. Make sure you're evened out. And then tie a knot on the end, and ta-da, you have 4 strands now, although you only had to thread 2. And it works the same way as if you were to thread the 4 strands into the needle and tie it at the end. You just have a big loop basically. So it's going to thread the exact same way as if you were to have done it the traditional way. Okay, so then I'm going to show you how I would finish the back. Let's say you are ready to finish your thread strand off in the back. You can't take your needle off, as you can see. All you have to do is do a few threads on the back from the stitches that you completed, and then simply cut the remainder. And then your remaining thread here, you just pull off like so.